Welcome back, guys. I was craving a snack, so I made this tortilla samosa with a cheesy chicken filling. Let me show you how I made it. For this, I used some leftover chicken that I had, so I'm using 2 forks to shred it, but some people use a hand mixer and just go right at it and it does the job. Our chicken is all nice and shredded. Now get to your pan, add some oil to it, turn your heat on high, and we are going to saute our chicken and add some beautiful flavors to it. I'm going to start off by adding some chicken flavored seasoning as well as some black pepper. I gave that a good mix and then I added some apple cider vinegar to my chicken. And for maximum flavor, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of my homemade green seasoning. You may find the recipe on my channel. Mix well, and then we're going to spice up our shredded chicken using some sriracha sauce because you already know that spice is nice. I'm also going to add some dried parsley flakes. Now that my chicken is well seasoned and flavored, I'm going to add the cheeses. So I'm going to start off by adding my cream cheese. I'm going to turn off my heat before I add my second cheese, which is mozzarella cheese, but you can choose any cheese that you have. I wanted a nice pull when I bite into my tortilla samosa, so I chose mozzarella. As always, guys, you can tweak this recipe according to the ingredients that you have at home. This recipe would be wonderful even if you use ground beef, ground turkey, or any other meat of choice. So don't let the ingredients list prevent you from trying my wonderful recipes. Our cheesy chicken filling is ready, so let's move on to prepare our tortillas. So I'm gonna cut my tortillas in two. As you can see on the top right, I made a slurry with flour and water so that I can stick my tortillas together. I'm gonna show you that. Keep watching. Here is the folding technique. I'm going to fold it into thirds and it will create an opening so I can put the filling in it. Let me show you. I fold the first half and then add a little bit of our slurry so they can stick together like so. Then I fold the other end and pinch the little pointy end so that none of the filling can leak out. Then I create my opening so that I can add a couple tablespoons of my filling. And I'm gonna finish off by adding some slurry to close off our samosa. Pinch tightly to close and seal our samosa so we don't want no filling leaking out. We want to make sure it's closed properly. So pinch everything. I'm going to repeat the process one more time so that you can see and recreate at home. As well as pinching the samosa to close it, I also took a fork and pressed down on it. So I went ahead and finished up all of my samosas. I made 6 samosas in total, but you can have more with the filling that I made. I could have made at least 10, but I made 6. I went ahead and brushed some oil on them and pan fried them for about 3 minutes on each side. And don't take your eyes off them like I did. Mine's got a little burn, but they were still good at the end. Our quick and easy snack is ready, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more and like this video. As always, see you next time.